In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Stripe account with a simple step-by-step guide that takes just 5 minutes. Stripe is a widely used platform for managing online payments, and knowing how to access your account efficiently is essential for keeping track of your financial transactions and business operations. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you typically use. Once you have your browser open, navigate to the Stripe website by entering stripe.com into the address bar at the top of your browser window. Once you're there, the homepage should load, and from here you can begin the process of logging into your account. Look for the sign in button, which is usually located in the top right hand corner of the website. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. This is the page where you'll enter your login credentials, specifically the email address associated with your Stripe account. Now it's time to enter your email address. Make sure you carefully type it in the designated field. Typos can cause login issues, so it's always a good idea to double check that everything is correct. Once your email is entered, move on to the password field. Here you'll need to provide the password you set up when you created your Stripe account. Secure passwords are crucial for protecting your account, so make sure that you keep your password complex and unique. After you've entered both your email and password, you're ready to sign in. Click on the sign in button, typically located below the password field on the login page. This action will attempt to log you into your Stripe account. If you've entered the correct credentials, you'll be taken directly to your Stripe dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your Stripe account activities. And there you have it, you're logged in and ready to manage your transactions, check your account balance, and monitor your analytics. Remember, if you need to log out at any point, you can usually find the option to do so in the top right hand corner of the dashboard, often under your account or profile settings. Logging into Stripe is a smooth process once you know the steps. If you encounter any issues, most often it might be due to incorrect email or password entries, so ensure those are correct. For any further help, Stripe support is always available to assist with login issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy managing your account with ease.